If your Android phone feels slower than it should, or the battery drains faster even when you're not using it, this video is for you. There's one system app that almost every Android phone has, and by default, it runs far more than it needs to. That app is Google Play Store. It's not dangerous, but it is badly configured out of the box. Let me show you how to fix that and improve both battery life and overall performance. First, open Google Play Store. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Go into Settings. Open General. Then tap Notifications. Here's what most people don't know. Even if you don't see notifications, Play Store constantly checks in the background to see if it needs to send one. Updates, offers, recommendations. All of that means background activity, which costs battery and system resources. Tap Account Notifications. When you turn this off, you'll be taken to another screen with more notification toggles. This is important. Turn all of them off. Then go back. Now turn off Available Updates. Offers and Promotions, Gaming Community, Community Posts. These notifications are not critical, and keeping them on only makes Play Store stay active. Next, go back to Settings. Open Network Preferences. Tap Download Preferences and set it to Wi-Fi only. This prevents unnecessary background data usage. Now tap Auto Update Apps. By default, apps update automatically without you noticing. Change this to Don't Auto Update Apps. You can still update apps manually, but now Play Store won't constantly check in the background. Next, open Video Autoplay and set it to Don't Autoplay Videos. This alone reduces background loading and CPU usage. Final step, go back and open Play Protect. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner. Keep Scan Apps with Play Protect turned on. That's your basic security. Below it, you'll see Improve Harmful App Detection. This option runs additional background processes. You can turn it off to reduce background activity without disabling protection. What you'll notice after this: less battery drain, less phone heating, smoother performance, fewer background processes.